Alright gamers, listen up. If you're anything like me, you love customizing your Steam profile, but you don't want to waste cash chasing every shiny sticker. So, how do you rack up Steam points without breaking the bank? Let's dive in. First off, the obvious one. Every time you buy a game, DLC, in-game item, or even Steam Deck hardware, you earn Steam points. For every $1 you spend, that's 100 points. So, drop 10 bucks and boom, 1,000 points in your pocket. Easy. But what if you want points for free? Here's where it gets interesting. Did you know other users can give your reviews, screenshots, or guides awards? If someone loves your review or thinks your screenshot is hilarious, they can hit you up with an award, and when they do, you get points. So post that brilliant review or clever meme screenshot. The more people like it, the more points you can rack up. Don't forget, you can earn from lots of community content, guides, artwork, mods, you name it. If your stuff is popular, you'll see those awards and points start rolling in. And sometimes, Steam throws us a bone with special promotions. During big events like the summer or winter sale, you might score bonus points with your purchases, so keep an eye out, because that's free Steam swag just waiting for you. Quick tip before I go, if you write funny, helpful, or just plain weird reviews, people love to reward that. It's honestly one of the fastest ways to get points without spending a cent. And remember, Steam points only buy cosmetic stuff. No cash outs, no wallet top-ups. Want even more hacks for earning points? Or the inside scoop on the best stuff in the points shop? Let me know in the comments. Game on.